Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As all of you know that the sinkhole has formed in the Devalgam Kukarnag area. This is not something that has happened in Kashmir here, but it is a natural process, a natural phenomena that has been taking place throughout the geological history on the earth. This is not something new, and some YouTubers and some people who are using the Facebook pages are making the news in such a way that people are afraid of, people have become very desperate. There is no such thing to be desperate, to be afraid of, because we are the people who believe in Allah, who believe in God, and we are not afraid of anything except Allah. We prostrate only before Allah, and these, whatever we have, whatever we are failing to lose, that is the aquatic ecosystem, the agriculture, the fisheries, etc. All these things are the gifts of Allah, and if Allah wills to take these gifts from us, then we should also be happy. When Allah gives us gifts and we utilize them, we should do shukr. We should be happy. They are not our creation. They are the gifts of Allah, and when Allah wills to take them away from us, we should also be happy. We should be patient. We should be patient. We should do sabr, and that is the best ibadah. That is the best worship. And Allah says, Inna Allah ma'as sabirin.